Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will cover how to terminate Google Ads payments and effectively stop billing on your account. If you need to pause your spending, you are in the right place. We will go through each step to ensure you can handle your account status with confidence. To begin, head over to the Google Ads site by typing ads.google.com into your browser's address bar. Sign into your profile using your login details. Once you are in, you will land on the Overview dashboard, which displays a summary of your active campaigns. Now, move your pointer to the menu on the left side of the screen. Hover over the Admin tab without clicking it to reveal a hidden submenu. This section contains the specific settings we need. From the options that appear under Admin, select Account Settings. This page features several tabs for managing your account's configuration. Our goal here is to end any active billing to prevent further costs. Within the account settings, locate and click on Account Status. This area shows your current standing. If your account is already closed, you will see a button to reactivate my account, meaning no payments are currently being processed. However, if it is still active, click the Cancel My Account button. This action stops all future charges by halting your campaign activity and preventing new expenses from building up. After clicking Cancel, you might need to confirm your choice or provide a reason for leaving from a provided list. Keep in mind that this doesn't permanently delete your data. It simply freezes transactions and pauses your ads until you decide to return. If you encounter any issues, Google Ads support is always there to assist. That is the simplest way to stop payments on your Google Ads account. Controlling your budget effectively is key to maintaining your brand without overspending. If you found this helpful, explore our other guides to better manage your marketing funds. Thanks for joining us, and good luck with your advertising.